Good afternoon, this is Schweitzer, and we're going to be doing a little lab of an unknown base. To the beaker below, I have added 15 milliliters of NaOH, measured with a graduated cylinder. I'll add 2 drops of phenolphthalein to it, and you will see at that point it turns quite pink. So my known is 0.15 molar HCl. My burette is starting at 10 milliliters. So my starting point is 10 milliliters on my burette, and I'll start to dispense now. All right. Sufficiently clear. My new volume is 15.2 milliliters. 15.2 milliliters. This guy is 15.2 milliliters. All right. Thank you very much. Solve for the concentration of the base.